Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Make It Simple. It is a two-wall dance. There is a bridge, which is very simple, and also there's a change in the dance. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. If you're interested in dancing along to the music, watch till the end and just click on the video right here. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always give me a thumbs up, always share the video, and leave me a comment. Thank you guys. I appreciate you. You motivate me, and I appreciate your support. So are you ready? Let's go. Make it simple. It is a two-wall dance. The front and the back. There's two parts and there's a bridge. So it's real simple. You're going to walk to the right, left, right with a triple step. Right, left, right, left, right, right. We're going to do that 3 times. Now go to your left. Left, right, right, left, right. We're going to do it again. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Then we're going to go out and out on the right. Out and right heel, step, left heel, step, right heel, step, slide left, and tap on the right. That is part 1. Okay? Simple enough. Let's put it together. 5, 6, 7. Walk right. 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock. 5, 6, 7. Right, left, left, tap right. Okay? So that is a heel, step, left, right heel. Right heel, step right. Left heel, step left. Right heel, step right, slide left, right. And that left, right is going to set you up for part 2. Part 2 is slide up. Right, tap left, tap right, tap left, tap right. And I come back. Right, tap left, tap right, tap left, tap right. And I go up again. Right, tap left, tap right, tap left, tap right. Right heel, step right, left heel, step left. Come back, right, left, half turn with my right shoulder, come back, right, left. In. I just gave you part 1 and part 2. Back wall, just what we just finished doing, walking to the right and sliding up, that's what you're going to do at this wall. Okay, the second rotation starts. So let's put 1 and 2 together and meet me at the back wall. 5, 6, walk to your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, rock. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go right. 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, out. 8 and 1. 2, left, 3, 4, right, 5, 6, slide left, right. Slide up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk back. 5, 6, right, 7, 8. Okay? Now from here, same thing. You're going to walk to the right, do the same thing you just did at the back wall. Okay? When you finish up, with your slide up and you turn back with that right shoulder half turn, it takes you to the bridge. What's the bridge? Single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double. So you rock it in place. We're doing a single, single, double, double. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double. Now, last step is on your left. We're going to roll out to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. And to finish off the bridge, we go right heel, left heel, go right, tap left. Left heel, right heel, go left, tap right. That's the bridge. We're going to go over that again. The dance starts over after that, okay? There's a change, and I'm going to show you that. Real easy. So, let's do the bridge again. Single, single, double, double. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, right, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Left heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go left. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. So I'll end up, this is how I start the dance with my weight on the left. And I'm going to walk to the right and start the dance over. Okay? That's like the third rotation. So I did the front wall, I did the back wall, then I did my bridge. Then I'm starting to dance over. Walk to the right, do that, then I'm going to walk up again. Now, when I walk up again, when I slide up, I slide back, and I slide up again, then I go right heel, left heel, I walk back, right, left, half, right, left. Now this wall here, what would I do? Now it's the end of the song. I would normally go to the right. The right is the verse, but she's not doing the verse, she's doing the chorus. So what you're going to do, slide up, 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 and take it back. Back. And then take it up again. Remember that third time? We do the heel, right? Right heel, left heel, walk back, half turn. Then from here, give me that bridge. Single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double. Roll right, tap left, right, left in the dance. Make it simple. It's that simple. You're only doing 2 things. Okay, 2 all day. Excuse me. And then the bridge is, he was very clever with that. He's doing what you're doing already. You're doing the single, single, double, double already with the bridge. And you roll out to the right, then you roll out to the left. Then guess what? You did that heel when you did the walk up. He adds that. And then you do a right, tap left, right, left, tap right. Okay? So, front wall is the walk from right to left. Part 1. Then you slide up. That's the chorus, okay? The walking to the right to left is the verse. When you slide up, that's the chorus, okay? Then you turn back, the dance starts over again. She starts with the verse. So you go to the right, you do part 1. Then she go into the chorus. You go up and do part 2. When you turn back, it goes to the bridge. Single, single, double, double, single, single, double, double. What you do on the right, you do on the left. Roll out to the right, right, tap left, right, tap right. It's still the verse. The bridge. The bridge is an extended part of the verse. So it sounds a little different, but it's words. It's a verse. It's not extra beats. That's a tag. Okay? A bridge is going to be just as long as a verse. So she's still singing the bridge. Okay? Which is, so then that's when you do the right heel, left heel, you go right, tap left, right, tap right. Okay? If it was a tag, you'll have about 6 or 8 beats or whatever. But this is the bridge, which can be as long as the verse, but it sounds a little different. Just listen to it, okay? So the bridge is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. I counted about 4 8 counts. Okay, that's why it's a bridge. It's a bridge is just as long as your verse. Okay, it just sounds a little different. Okay, the music might sound different, or a rapper might come in and do a rap. If it's singing, they might put in a rap or whatever. That is a bridge. A tag is just maybe extra beats, maybe 6 or 8 beats. Okay, but extended beats, and this is like 32, is going to be a bridge. Okay, so that's where that comes in. So once you finish that, you go back to the dance. Okay, where you walk to the right, goes to the verse, then she goes to the chorus. Then you turn back around here. It's the end of the song. So normally when it's the end of the song, they're done with telling you the meat of what the song is about. Then you just singing the chorus. So that's why you go up. You go forward. You don't go back to the verse. Remember part 1, walking to the right is the verse. She's just singing the chorus, okay? That's pretty much the end of the song. Everybody's singing the chorus. So that's when you go out. When you come here, still got some extra beats. So that's when you go into your bridge again. Single, single, double, double. And then roll out to your right. Then roll out to your left. And end of dance. So I just tried to give you a little lesson there, right? People get confused with a tag and a bridge, okay? A tag is going to be some extra beats. Your bridge is going to be pretty much just as long as your regular verse, but it's going to sound a little different, okay? I hope that was helpful. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.